100 days ago, this forest was nothing more than a graveyard. But with time, it evolved through rain and fire. Watch as empires rise and predators fall. But the real question is, who can survive? On day 1, the tank was built from dirt, a log, and a fox skeleton from head to toe. It may look barren now, but where there is death, there is life. The first plants began to emerge, and they overtook the landscape. There were animals both big and small. The snails were the earliest signs of life and spent most of their time eating. Everything was at peace. Though, this peace wasn't going to last for long. Plants were disappearing at an alarming rate, and not because of the snails. Something else was eating them. Something underground. Earthworms. They were taking over.